JCB is getting ready to make a serious statement at the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. The British construction equipment company, famous for its bright yellow machines, is returning to the legendary speed testing grounds with something completely different from its usual excavators and loaders. This time, it's bringing the Hydromax, a hydrogen-powered land speed racer that stretches nearly 33 feet long and is aiming to blast past 350 miles per hour. The big attempt is planned for this August, and the target is huge. Reaching 350 miles per hour would almost double the current speed record for a hydrogen internal combustion vehicle, which was set by BMW's H2R prototype at just under 188 miles per hour. JCB also wants to beat the overall hydrogen-powered vehicle record held by Ohio State University's fuel cell-powered Buckeye Bullet 2, which reached 303 miles per hour back in 2009. In other words, JCB is trying to break both records in one shot. Powering the Hydromax are two hydrogen combustion engines developed by JCB itself. These aren't experimental lab motors either. They're based on the same hydrogen engine technology the company is already putting into real production excavators. Each engine produces around 800 horsepower, giving the car a combined output of 1,600 horsepower. That power is sent to all four wheels through a twin-clutch dual transmission setup designed specifically for high-speed stability and traction. The car's body has also been completely redesigned for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Engineers focused on everything from suspension geometry to traction control, and even the placement of onboard cameras. Before the Hydromax ever touches the salt, every part of the car has already gone through heavy simulation and stress testing to make sure it can survive the brutal conditions at extreme speed. Behind the wheel will be Andy Green, and he's basically the perfect person for the job. Green is a Royal Air Force wing commander and fighter pilot who already has a legendary history at Bonneville. Back in 2006, he drove the diesel-powered JCB Diesel Max to a record speed of just over 350 miles per hour, and that record still stands today. He's also the only person in history to break the sound barrier on land, reaching an incredible 763 miles per hour in the Thrust SSC car. But this project isn't just about setting records or making headlines. JCB has spent around £100 million over the last 5 years developing hydrogen combustion technology. The same engines being tested in the Hydromax are already making their way into commercial construction equipment. The company sees hydrogen as a realistic solution for heavy machinery, where battery electric systems can struggle with weight, range, and long charging times. JCB believes hydrogen combustion offers faster refueling and the kind of energy density needed for tough industrial jobs. Using a land speed record attempt is basically their way of proving that the technology works under the most extreme conditions possible. It's a massive demonstration on one of the world's biggest automotive stages. The timing is also important because JCB is preparing to open a huge new manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas, valued at around $500 million. The Bonneville run helps showcase the company's future direction right as it expands its global production efforts. Company chairman Anthony Bamford says this approach follows the same logic behind the original Diesel Max project. Back then, JCB used a speed record car to prove what diesel technology could do. Now they're doing the same thing with hydrogen. Instead of just talking about cleaner engines, they want to show the world what hydrogen power is capable of at full throttle. All eyes will be on Bonneville this August to see whether the Hydromax can make history and push hydrogen technology into an entirely new league of performance.